I'm just reading Jay Lakshmi. I'm running a YouTube channel called Pro Training. Since 2 years, it is having 500 videos on technical topics, Java, JavaScript, jQuery, C, manual testing, Selenium, HTML. I'm putting a lot of effort to get more views and subscribers. How this training going to help me to get more views and more subscribers? Okay. Uh, this this training basically going to give you the insights. Okay, if your only motive is YouTube, okay, Jaya Lakshmi, to getting the views, or you have 500 plus videos, okay, I'm not sure what else you are also doing. You are just putting the videos, or you are using some advertisement also, okay, you are only doing organic way, or even you are using the paid way also, okay. So I'm not sure about that, or even you are going to advertise your YouTube channel, or if you have other learning management system, you have created any other learning management system, have you also advertised on Facebook with your channel, okay, are you also creating a blog or content also, from there you are driving the traffic? Second thing, are you also making your mm, email list also, whatever the people are subscribing or not, okay. So all these things, this concept, okay, you are going to learn all these things, and those things you can implement that, okay. So here I'm not uh, specifically here, I'm not going to wholly explain the YouTube marketing, okay, and all these things, but you can say overall you can understand how can, okay, you are also planning to start a blog. That's good, very nice. Even uh, email list and all these things. So second point come under, have you created the autoresponders with your email automation? Have you did the automation with your this email IDs? Okay, so these things are important. So in between, you can do one thing, you can email me also whatever the queries, or you can messenger me also. So maybe we can have a talk and we can discuss some more about these things. Okay. Kavita, Kavita, your comment I'm seeing, it's good. Okay. Yeah, sure, sure. You can learn, you have Facebook page, good. Organic, nowadays organic reach of Facebook is almost nil. Okay. Do you have a Facebook group also, Kavita? If in Facebook group, the reach is more if you compare to the Facebook pages. Okay. So we will we'll discuss on that. There are some other way to reach more and more people. Okay, and of course we can discuss all those things also. So guys, uh, any other question? Venkatesh, thanks Venkatesh. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. We are started building our relationship, correct? Okay. First important thing for anything. Okay. First we have to develop the trust between between each other, correct? So I'm very happy. Okay, for your nice comment. Okay. Any other? Okay, Raghav. Thanks. Thanks, Maz. Thank you very much. So okay, guys, it's almost 1 hour, 5 minutes. So I'm just going, I don't want to stretch it more, but if you have any problem, you know my email ID, you can go there, okay? You can type me email, and trust me, I read each and every email and I respond it, okay? I respond it. So this is, I have given my Facebook group link. If you're not joined it, please join it, okay? So, okay. So, okay, thanks a lot, and it's almost more than 10:30. Okay. Okay. Bye bye. Bye Jayalakshmi. Bye everyone. Bye Kavita, Venkatesh, Raghav, everyone.